Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video I am going to do a watch me work for you guys. So I'm going to take this set of nails and recreate something fun for Valentine's Day. So let's get started. So the first step is to push back the cuticles on all 10 nails. And you guys know this is my favorite cuticle bit from Couture, and I go around near the cuticle, as you can see, to get rid of what's left of the cuticle on the nail bed itself. This is my absolute favorite part of a service. And when I do cuticle work with these bits, I put my e-file on low. You do not need a high speed for this part of the service. And with my Moon Diamond bit from Couture, I go around the cuticle area and the exposed nail bed and just lightly buff any of the dry skin that's on the cuticle and sidewalls and take off the shine that's on the nail bed itself. And with my Texas Tornado, I go around each nail and take off the product and shorten the nails at the same time. And when I use this bit or the mean green or any bit like this that will remove the bulk of the product, I will set my e-file on high. With a fine arbor band or fine zebra band, I will go around and take off the remaining color and any lifting that may be on the nail itself. And I usually put my e-file on low to medium speed for this bit. And with a 150 grit zebra file, I will go around the free edge and sidewalls just to refine the shape and the length before gel application. At the same time, I am going over the natural part of the nail just ever so lightly, buffing if there is any shine left on the nail itself. This will help prevent lifting. Here I'm using acetone to get rid of the dust, and it's also going to dehydrate the nail at the same time. And now I'm applying the 2-in-1 base coat from Vision Gel because I'm going to be using the brand new Universal Builder, and you do need a base coat first. So after you apply the 2-in-1 base coat, cure for 30 seconds, and then you can apply your Universal Builder Gel. I'm starting out with applying a thin layer of the Universal Builder Gel on all 10 nails. I'm going to cure for 30 seconds and then I'm going to come back and build the nail a little bit more with the Builder Gel. After a 30 to 45 second cure in my LED lamp, I'm removing the dispersion layer with alcohol and then filing with my 150 grit zebra file. And to remove the remaining bulk and do some shaping, I use my favorite bit from Couture, one of my favorite bits from Couture, and that is the Pink Diamond Smooth Top Barrel Bit. Say that 5 times fast. And when I use this bit, I set my E file to medium. And to make sure everything is just tickety-boo, I will take my 150 zebra file and do my finish filing routine. And then the last step is to take a coarse sponge buffer and buff the nails and smooth out any inconsistencies I might see. And cleansing the nails with alcohol, I get rid of the dust to prep the nails with my color application. And I'm using number 277, which is this gorgeous translucent pink shimmer with a bit of glitter in it. And just as a reminder, cure time for these gel polishes are anywhere between 30 to 60 seconds in your LED lamp and 2 minutes in a UV lamp. Depending on the pigmentation of the color, I would do at least 60 seconds. And here I'm using the new VIP Diamond Gel number 21 on her accent nail. And now I'm taking Lux number 72 and applying the color to the middle finger, and this is a very pigmented white. I love this white. I've cured the nails for 30 seconds and now I'm going back and applying a second coat of each color to the nails. And now I'm going in with a Super Shine No Wipe top coat and applying my top coat and curing for 1 minute. I totally forgot to show you how I did the heart design on her middle finger. So I'm taking this gorgeous neon pink number 109, a dotting tool, and I'm just creating 3 dots that are attached and just kind of mushing them together to create a heart shape. Then cure for 30 seconds and apply your top coat. After doing a full cure of 1 minute, I will take Vision Gel's Cuticle Oil, apply it to the cuticles, and give the fingertips a really nice massage. And as the last part of my service, I always use LCN's Super Shine Finish Cleaner to shine up the nails. And here's the finished look, a super easy Valentine's Day design. So that's it, you guys. I will list every product I use in the description box below. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell button so you get notifications of when I upload. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Elite Nails by Carrie. And I wish you all a happy Valentine's Day, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.